Alright, status report. So, the pineapple activated for the test. So did this. We're gonna have to change its batteries now. The HH activated. I don't believe any of these activated. Wow, not really many radios activated for the test today, which is sort of unusual, but yeah, at least the Recom activated, the Radio Shack, this activated, and did these activate? We'll have to see. But yeah, we'll have to see if this activated and this activated, but yeah, not really. This wasn't really an active test, but we'll have to see what happens next time, because some of these weather radios have also been receiving static points, so I tried moving the antennas around, which probably could also be a factor. But anyway, that is today's test as of, what's today? The 10th of February, 2021. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, although nothing much happened. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.